G'day guys, we had a wonderful day today. We travelled to two waterfalls. The first one was Blangsina Waterfall.
Blangsina Waterfall atau air terjun Blangsina.
And the second one?
The second one is Tukad Cepung.
Yeah.
Air terjun Tukad Cepung or waterfall Tukad Cepung.
Look, we enjoyed both. Make your own mind up. We had a wonderful lunch at Kissidan Eco Hill. Even got the drone up there. The drone is working even after the crash. So that's all good. So sit back, relax and enjoy this. We really enjoyed making this one and we certainly really enjoyed travelling all day. It was great.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one.
Now this is Blangsina Waterfall and the price is 20k.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
How incredible is this? Oh my god, hear the sound of it! Pretty good.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
We're nearly back to the top. I haven't been anywhere in Bali. It's beautiful.
Kayak kapek, banyak anak tangga, so many access.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
We had a wonderful lunch at Kissidan Eco Hill. Even got the drone up there. The drone is working even after the crash. So that's all good.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.
G'day guys, we're at the next waterfall now. It's beautiful here, magnificent. And this one is called
Air Terjun Tukad Cepung Waterfulls Tukad Cepung.
You understand why Emmy's saying all this, don't you, yeah? Alright, enjoy guys.
With a knife in the back, I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Amy the model. Oh look, this is more beautiful here, over here, yeah? It's true? Think, Amy? It's really wonderful. It's pretty surreal, you know.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Gotta say, it's delicious. A little bit of street food, banana frita, and no, banana, and this one. Done. And to top it all off, we ended the day at our favourite spot on the beach at Kuta. Legian or Kuta?
In Kuta.
Kuta. And it was wonderful. The vibes there are always great, especially on a Sunday night. Sunday night they have the bands going, and it's just magnificent. All the merchants are out selling all their gear. Enjoy it, guys. Enjoy. And this, guys, is how we're finishing our day today. It was a really big day, but it was a great day. Down the beach again. We seem to be addicted to this place. Not much of a sunset tonight, but we love it.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'm a ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me stack. No, it's not how you fall, so you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come down with none. I'm so done, you had your fun, and now you're gonna face on the barrel of the gun. So I got a full clip with your name on it, but I'ma let you slide cause you ain't with it. Time to stand strong. Be what I want. Strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming. I wanna be someone. I wanna be great.
Okay, so now I am trying. Yeah. It's okay. Sort of tastes like ayam. Yeah, telur. Egg. Normal egg. Normal egg. Why not? Amy is trying to teach me Bahasa again. It's not going very well. I want to know the name of this one. Kaichang? Kaichang?
Kacang.
Kachang. Kachang.
Kacang.
You see? It's all the time. I always do.
Again.
Kachang?
Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game, now we say.
Good night.
I need a
Very good night and wonderful.
Yeah, it's true. We have an incredible day today and a wonderful night. You can hear the music in the background. Sunday night, the sun's gone down. It's been good. We enjoyed this, guys. We certainly enjoy going to these places with you, and we really love making these videos. They're great for us, you know. So